What's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to move emails from a personal Gmail account into Google Workspace, here's how to migrate your mailbox. Firstly, sign into your Google Admin Console using your Google Workspace Administrator account, and from the dashboard, go to Data. Then select Data Import and Export, and then open Data Migration. Under the Gmail section, click Migrate, and enter the source Gmail address you want to migrate. Now, enter the Google Workspace email address that you will receive the important emails, and then review the migration settings and start the migration. Google will begin copying emails from the Gmail account into the selected Google Workspace mailbox. Once the migration is complete, sign into the Google Workspace Gmail account and verify your emails have been transferred successfully. And that said, your Gmail messages are now migrated to Google Workspace, so you can continue using your new business email without losing your existing mail. If this tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.